Hey Tanganites, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my stimulating aloe vera and coffee infused hair growth oil, and you just need 3 ingredients: any oil of your choice, olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, a medium-sized aloe vera plant, and coffee. So what I like to do, I like to cut my aloe vera into medium-sized pieces, and I also rinse it out to get rid of as much as the aloe as possible, the yellow liquid, because we don't want that in our mixture, right? So I like to cut it into pieces, as I said, and to a low to medium heat I add a 1/4 cup of the olive oil, and then I add 2 tablespoons of coffee, which you're not going to see in this clip, it got lost in the sauce, and aloe vera leaf, of course. So how you know that the aloe vera is infused into the oil? The aloe vera is going to have this brown color, as you can see right here. So that's how I know it's finished. So I just turn off the flame and just let it simmer and cool down for a bit, and then you're going to get ready to add your preservative, right? So I weigh my container, and then I'm going to use the preservative optiphen, right? This is used for oil-based products. The reason why you use a preservative is because aloe vera contains water, and anything that contains water is going to cause bacteria growth or mold or yeast, and we don't want that on our scalp. So it's imperative that you use a preservative, or you keep this mixture in the fridge, right? You make small batches and keep it in the fridge. Vitamin E oil is not a preservative. All it do is just prevent the oil from going rancid, but it does not prevent bacteria growth, fungus growth, yeast growth, or mold growth. So you have to use a preservative if you're going to leave this outside of the fridge. Vitamin E oil, yet again, is an antioxidant, right? And yeah, that's my oil right there, ready to be used. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you're going to try this, right? Follow me on Instagram and share this with your friends. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and don't forget that God loves you. Bye.